Here are Tech's 5 top tips for quitting smoking this October. List your reasons why you want to quit. You may want to improve your health, save some cash, or being a great role model. Utilise stop smoking aids, such as vaping and nicotine pouches. A study by Ash revealed that just under 300 million people in England have used a vape to quit smoking successfully. Why not join them? Keep busy. Cravings are less likely to occupy your mind if you're active, so why not pick up a new sport or chat to a friend? Quit as a team. We recommend confiding with friends, family members, or even joining a support group. Recognise your triggers and aim to change the pattern. So if you smoke on your lunch break, after tea, then be sure to replace this habit with something else, such as reading a book or something that relaxes you. At Tech, we wish you all the luck in your quitting journey this October.